Trucozie picks up dust, dirt, and more. A vacuum cleaner, very easy to use, simple to take apart, easy to hang up on the wall. Without touching again, simply open and dump. You're looking for a vacuum cleaner to clean up small messes to large messes, up to 70 minutes, maximum of 60 kPa, with the light extension pole that you could shorten down, different heights and different attachments. This may be something that you were looking for in a vacuum cleaner. We have brushes and we have a chute for cleaning. A nice large capacity that holds a lot. From the company Trucozie, 60 kPa vacuum with 70 minutes of runtime, stand-up vacuum cleaner, portable for stairs, hardwood floors, carpets, and more. What we're going to do is show you about the Trucozie portable vacuum. This is the T553, what it's called, the cordless vacuum cleaner. As we open up the package, the assembly of the main parts and the charging instructions are laid on top and protected by foam. We also have the instruction guide, a cleaning brush, and a little pick to clean areas, as well as the hanging bracket hardware. Underneath the foam, as we lift up in plastic, is the vacuum in a gold, purple, and black with red. Pulling out the first piece we have here is a brush, a filter for pet hair, dust, and more. The shaft is adjustable. The main compartment of the vacuum cleaner. Underneath, more accessories. The base vacuum with the roller in red, green sticker to remove, wheels made of rubber, purple roller as well. The battery and cradle to hang on the wall and the accessories. A cleaning chute to attach to the attachments. And the power bank charging cable with a dedicated DIN plug. Plugging in the AC adapter to the battery, we have 3 blue lights for charging. This is your battery area. This is the chute area to matching up and snapping into place the correct way and adjusting the length of the unit. Connecting the roller is placing in and locking into place with all the reds in the back. The stand-up locking mechanism is located right here, this little piece to that piece. When you lift the vacuum cleaner up, it locks into place. A close-up look at the mechanism. It forces on and off to lock in. The vacuum has a minimum and a maximum fill level. It is a portable, small vacuum cleaner. From a small to a large unit, measuring the height of the vacuum cleaner at the maximum level standing up is about 45-46 inches. Measuring it from the lowest point measures about 38 inches tops. It has a locking and unlocking top so you can put in the filter and more. On top of the unit, counterclockwise unlocks and removes the filter. With the brush, we could clean out the area. A close-up look at the filter. When emptying over a garbage can, a simple press of a button pops open and dumps the dirt. Hands-free. On the top over here is a button that releases the whole mechanism for the filter that's on top. That simply comes out. Simply grab the ribbon, pull out the filter, clean the inside filter, as well as the handle to pull out the insides and clean. In reverse order, closing up and putting everything back into place with the new filter placed in and into the unit the way it came out. With the fully charged battery into the unit and sliding and locking down, we have over here is a window with two buttons, one to turn on and one to change mode. Unit comes on, the battery, light on the bottom, a circle showing the unit with the Trucozie emblem facing up to you, and 4 levels. The button on the right increases the vacuum from low, medium, changing color, and high, and then pressing to shut off. On the bottom with the vacuum on, we have a light indicator showing a green light. With the bracket lifting up and onto the unit and sliding down and plugging in your cable, you have attachments on the side that you simply add in the wide brush to one side and the narrow brush to the other side, making sure that the red buttons are facing the correct way to lock into place. With the vacuum, removal of the handle with the red button by pulling out and placing on the attachments pieces by pulling out and placing on, you have a portable vacuum cleaner for automobile, boats, RVs, sofas, recliners, staircases, bedrooms, bathrooms, by the air conditioner, ceiling fans, and more. Simply match up, over, snap into place, with your foot, push down, and ready to go for hard floor vacuuming. In this demonstration, we're going to be vacuuming up the floor. So we're going to take the handle, extend it to the comfort, turn the unit on, and clean. On the side of the unit over here is the blower. With the swivel head, you're able to move it around and clean. As we have a nice demonstration of dirt all over the floor, up to 70 minutes depending on the speeds you use. And we're on the highest speed. Indoor, outdoor carpeting. The rollers are hitting, cleaning. Over here we have a piece of paper plastic. We should pick it up. When in the unit, we have it shut off automatically, telling us that we have an issue. We pull out and clear. Over here on the stairs, we're going to clean up with the narrow piece. In the corners. Show you where the air is blowing. With the unit being portable, we do not have a light and only on the base unit over here. If we need to use a brush while the unit's on, we can simply deattach and attach the brush and clean. We'll empty out the interior by simply pressing. It's finding a spot, measuring, taking the vacuum cleaner, sliding into the bracket, and plugging in your cord. Thank you for viewing.